Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's Jira Bro, and today's topic is going to be the restriction of internal notes in your Jira Service Management projects. So in your Jira Service Management project, if you have actually noticed, when you want to add a comment, there are two types of comments that you can add. The first one are actually like the regular comments and the internal notes. Now, when you actually make these internal notes, sure, they're going to be hidden from the customers, but then again, they're also visible to others. Now, what you can do is actually to restrict these internal notes. This can be, and this is of course based on the project role itself. So let's say you have, let's say 5 to 6 agents on your project, and you have like 30 customers within your project as well. You want to keep this hidden from the customers, and let's say you only want this to be able to be visible by your service desk team. Now, first of all, that is a prerequisite, right? So they need to be in a project role of a service desk team. So they need to be agents. And when they're actually agents, and when you're creating an internal note, then you can restrict. Then you can say only the users that have this service desk service management team project role, only they can see this internal note. So here is how it actually works. So I already have this created issue right here. So these are called the internal notes. All right, so I already tested this feature because it's actually great. So how you do this? It's really simple. You click on Add Internal Note, and you will see this padlock right here. And it says, when you hover it over, it says visible to all users. Now, you can actually edit this, and you can say, well, this can be either seen by the administrators, or this can actually be seen by service desk team. What if there is actually another scenario where you only want this to be seen by the administrators? So they're not the agents, they're actually administrators. And let's say that those administrators are like, for example, developers, let's say, and you have your service desk team, which is actually your operations team. And you want this to only be visible for your developers, where you're actually saying that something is let's say is not working based on the, let's say, API. The API is not returning the correct response, even if you generated your API key, even if you did your authentication, even if you did all of that great stuff, but something is not, something doesn't come up. So you're gonna select the project role of administrators, and now what you can do is basically you can write down a comment, and all of the administrators will actually see this comment right here. So everyone who has a project role will actually see this. Okay, and now I'm gonna say, let's say, API not returning info. I'm gonna say it like that. You save it, and now what does it say? It has a padlock right here, but it says administrators. And now only administrators are going to be able to see this. Service desk team is not going to be able to see this. So now you can restrict, and you can have a better control over the internal notes, and you can specify which project roles are gonna see them. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.